I will show you what are the differences between the usual and the blind bag Playmobil figurines. Let's see how to identify them. As you can see, the blind bag one has a gray piece and the other one has a white translucent inner piece. On their heads, we can also see that the blind bag one has an arrow pointing upwards and the other one has nothing. Now let's take them apart. As you can see, there are also other differences between the color of the inner part, the neck piece and the piece that holds the neck. On the blind bag version, there is more sloped and it's not blocked inside. On the other one, it looks like a hook. Once inside, it cannot get off the head. Here are some sketches showing in a zoom-in version. So the left one is the normal klicky and the right one is the blind bag version. As you can see, with some force, the blind bag one can be easily disassembled, but the other one only with the knock on the head method. I hope that is what is like called. As far as I know, these are the only differences.